Hey friends, welcome back. Let's make some egg rolls tonight for dinner. Oh, there goes the dryer. Come on in here. We're gonna put a tablespoon of garlic in the pan. We're gonna add a pound of pork. Just ground pork, no seasoning in it. Grind up some pepper in there. Add some salt. Whoop, not that much. Let's cook that up until it gets brown. And then we'll add some cabbage sliced up thinly. I cheated and bought the coleslaw, so it's got some carrots already in it. And then I sliced up some celery pretty finely and some green onions. So as soon as this is browned, we're going to add the other stuff. Alright, let's add 4 green onions and 2 ribs of celery. And a couple of cups of coleslaw. That looks about right. Okay, now in here I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of sesame oil. We're going to add that. Now our secret ingredient tonight, instead of ground ginger, we're going to add a drop of ginger oil. This is so good for you internally. It's so good for your tummy. Now oils are very strong, so know your oil before you dump a bunch in. Usually 1 drop is worth 1 teaspoon. And if you don't know, you should stick a toothpick in the orifice reducer and then just put the toothpick in there. But I just put 1 drop of that ginger oil in here. Smells so good. Ginger is so soothing. It's so good for you. We're just going to let those flavors meld for a few minutes. And then we're going to make up our wrappers. Okay friends, this is done. It smells wonderful. While I'm rolling these up, I'm going to tell you about the ginger oil. It comes from the rhizome of the ginger plant. This oil does. And it helps with nausea. My daughter is pregnant. Now this is just a paste of water and flour. And she uses the ginger oil and it helps her a lot with her morning sickness. And it also helps with bloating and indigestion. And when taken internally, it helps with these things. So all you have to do is take a couple of drops internally every day and you'll be amazed at how good your tummy feels. So let's get these filled up and then we'll put them in the oil. Okay, we're frying these babies up. And they smell delicious. First time making egg rolls. Pretty impressed with myself. Can't get the suckers to stay over though. There we go. Okay, let's give these yummy things a try.
It smells good.
This is Thai hot chili sauce, and this is orange sauce. Oops. Super good.
That was spicy.
Thanks for watching, friends.